Hello, my name is Liza, and today I'd like to share with you how I made 2 more napkin holders for Halloween beverage napkins. My sister found these cute skeleton napkins and sent them to me, and I found these napkins, I think, in Home Goods. So, when I had the napkins, I thought that this box, it's actually a piggy bank from Dollartree, would be the perfect size to fit those napkins. And I also had in my stash the spooky sign word, unpainted, and the boo one. So I thought I'd use them to decorate the box. I used a spatula to pry the back off the box. And then I crossed my fingers and hoped that the napkins fit, and they were perfect. I took some nail polish, some acetone, and a cotton ball, and I just removed the words from the glass from the piggy bank, and I painted only the word spooky of this little piece, and I painted the boo sign. And once the paint was dried, I used some wood glue, and I laid the spooky sign on top of the ledge of the piggy bank, and then I secured it with some clamps. And once that was dry, I just dropped in my boo sign, dropped in my napkins, and it was complete. Easiest napkin holder ever. Now the next one is a little more complicated. However, it uses very little materials. Basically from Dollar Tree, I used the large craft sticks. I used just one popsicle stick, also from Dollar Tree, and cereal box cardboard, which I am a hoarder, so you're going to see I have some really old cereal boxes I'm using. And then this is optional. I thought it was an experiment that failed, but I did decoupage with one black napkin and some Mod Podge, also from Dollar Tree. And then to keep it all together, this is the best stuff Dollar Tree has in the craft section. It's that 2-sided tape. I laid my napkin down, and then I measured and I cut with my scissors the large popsicle stick so that I had pieces that would fit all the way around. And I also cut some chipboard pieces that I scored in half because those are the pieces that are going to keep my popsicle sticks together. I took some of the 2-sided tape and I laid it on top of one side of the cardboard that I had already scored and folded, and then I attached each popsicle stick piece to each other, as you can see here, and it fits right around my napkin. I then traced around that piece and I made a top and a bottom portion, also out of cereal box cardboard. And then with more cereal box cardboard, I also made long strips around all the outer edges so that it would be more secure and not so, it is cardboard. Then I wanted it to look like a pine box, so I cut for each up and down piece 2 little slivers of cereal box cardboard, and I glued them on. And then here's the top, and I painted them both, everything black. And this is where I was going to decoupage the napkin on because I wanted to give it a little bit of a weathered look. So you can see in this picture that you can hardly tell that I did it. Then I needed some hinges because I wanted the lid to go up and down. So I took some more of the cereal box and I glued it onto the lid, and then I glued it inside the actual box portion. And here you can see I dropped my napkins in, and the lid can stay open and the lid can shut. And then Quarantino did make an appearance, albeit just a quick little flash. He helped me set up my picture for my thumbnail. Quarantino and I hope you enjoyed our projects. If you did, please give our video a thumbs up, leave us a comment, and as always, if you aren't subscribing, please consider doing so. Quarantino and I will be back again soon with another project. Thanks for watching. Take care.